Hi and a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Cassie. So in today's video I'll be going ahead and doing a little bit of cleaning. So yes, today I will be going ahead and showing you how I go ahead and clean my dressing table, which is actually a mess, and it has been a mess for a really long time. There are some empty bottles, empty skincare products that are just sitting in my dressing table, and I have to go ahead and get rid of those empty bottles. And also you will see how I go ahead and organize my jewelry, which are very few. That is what you will see in this video. Also I need to go ahead and clean my bookshelf. If this is something that you would love to watch, then make sure that you watch the video till the end. Also, if you are someone who is new to my channel, please come and join this tiny little family right here on YouTube by just hitting that red subscribe button down below and press the bell icon right besides the subscribe button, because that is how you will get notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss out on my videos. And now let's quickly jump into the cleaning process.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Alright, so that is all I have for you today in this video. I hope you liked watching this video, and if you did like it, then please go ahead and smash that like button. And if this video did inspire you to go ahead and clean your space as well, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.